everyone, this is Lambda expression tutorial. So first we will make a variable x and 5, 4, 3. So now how we use this function is like this. Equal lambda. And now we write here perimeter of calculation x plus 1. And now in the other, make another bracket and write a2. So click enter, it will give you 6. And now go down and you'll get all of that because it'll plus in 1 to all of these. And another very epic thing is if you go to that, it can make names. Go to name manager. I already made these so you guys can make them. Multiply by xy. So this is what you guys need to do. Lambda xy and times xy. Let's see, I'll do it for you. Lambda and here x y and then x times y and then boom, you get that. And then let's do that function right now. Let's call it out. Let's delete all of this. Delete you. So now we do equal multiply by xy, not a1, a2. And close these parentheses. No, not. We have to make a y thing also, and we have to make 3, 2, 4, 3. A2 and B2. So let's click this. 15. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. So let's see off that. Boom. And another epic thing it can do is work with data types. So this is how you do that. First, let's write Ohio, California, and Florida. All of these are states' names. So now let's go all there and go in data and find geography. And you gotta go geography. So to do this, you do equal a2 dot, and then we will do median household income 61,818. So let's scroll that down. So in Florida, there's nothing. So let's just change this into Canada. Median household. Oh, wait. Is this for same for A4? Oh, A3. Delete this in A2. Not, what the? A2 is it? Okay, so we get the same money. Not A4. A3. Is Canada not a place? It is a place. I definitely know that. Canada, let's edit it and make it Florida again.
You kept your sock here in my room.
And let's make this California. There. So you get very less money paid in Florida. The same amount of money you get in Ohio that you get paid in California. Let's write one more thing. Let's check. What place? Let me just think some. Yeah, we can do Colorado. Colorado. That's not too good. So let's do Washington. Yep, it's a geography, so let's do dot A2, no, equal A2, not A2, A4, Washington, dot median household income. So let's click enter. Okay, so that's how you do that. And this is how you will get everything. So yeah, and wrong thing, A1. This is it. You get more money in California and Washington than any other place. So let's go. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. BT, best television.